What is the most mind-blowing or coolest thing you've learned how to do since starting this course?
I would want to say that one of the most mind-blowing things that I learned like with coding is just creating websites. You know, I never could like imagine how I would be able to create websites until I discovered CTE.
Is there anything that makes you want to actually log in and work during this class?
Um, Probably the thing about like just just like creativity. Like I want to create something, and even like when I got like 20 minutes, I would want to like just open up my computer and like just like into city and like maybe like learn something new that I didn't even know.
What was the most challenging thing you had to accomplish during this course?
It was actually like and understanding this stuff, like understanding every single detail about like the coding and stuff. But I would say I didn't have any much like challenges, but like it was mostly just my probably willpower to actually do the work.
This is just me asking, did you have any like prior knowledge to coding or kind of, or
Nah,
no?
dude. I mean, I had some kind of like basic understanding of how to code.
Okay, I'm just gonna ask you like how do you apply to your past experiences with like coding to
Yeah, we can do
okay.
it.
How have you applied your past experience or knowledge with coding to this course?
So I am like a student from Russia, and back in Russia we used to like learn like the coding language Pascal. I'm not really sure. Don't quote me on this, but it was pretty much just like the sequence of actions that you have to make in order for you to make a working website or working like a program. So it was pretty cool to like actually be able to like have kind of like some kind of experience to go hands on some like just learning.
How has this course changed how you feel about your future career?
This course definitely added like some kind of like confidence to my future because I can feel that I'm getting more into like tech now because now I know about websites. Maybe the next step I'm gonna take maybe it's gonna be like engineering. So maybe I'll be able to like create something of my own in like the future.
Would you say that you feel more prepared for the real world?
I would want to say he added some kind of like fundamentals of to my just like so I can like so I would say it added like a lot of like things to for me to think about like the actual like world so I can like actually think or like just believe that like I can understand something about tech, so it gives me a lot of confidence.
What do you think about the opportunity to earn industry certifications while you are in this class?
So first of all, just like earning like a certificate for coding, like for HTML or whatever the like we have a lot of courses in our school, but I feel like this one was really like essentially helpful for us because we kind of understood what it actually takes for you to get something that might kind of help you out in the future. And I would want to say this one of the best classes, and this certificate probably gonna help me a lot in the future.
When you're working on these projects, do you feel like a student doing homework or like a professional in the working industry, and why?
I would want to like it feels like a freelancing job because if you actually want to like earn something, if you actually want to like understand it, how does it like feel to just wake up in the morning and do the job? That's the right like that's the one thing that I like about this like course because for me personally it was like I wanted to code in order in order to create like cool websites. So it was really like more about like freelancing job or like just it was not like a homework for me because I actually like spent time enjoying like doing the job.
Has this course simplified learning how to code for you?
It definitely added like uh, it definitely added some kind of like understanding into each step that you make for you to make a website. So I can kind of feel more comfortable just applying those steps to kind of implement an actual like working website.
Are there any tips or tricks that you've discovered while taking this course on learning how to code?
I would want to say like take your time and try to really enjoy like the process of like making it, because when you're gonna look back, it's gonna feel like, oh, that was my first steps, you know. So that's what I want to say.